making something that is left over from my Bak Chang session. I made some Bak Chang last week and there was some excess filling. I kept the filling in the fridge and today I make a cake out of it. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. And today I'm going to make Bak Chang cake. Bak Chang cake. What is this? It's something that I thought about a lot because I'm advocate for the Love Food Hate Waste initiative in Leicestershire. I do a lot of recipes using leftover. So this is one of the recipes that I've come up with using leftover filling from the Bak Chang. So let's go and see how we make this Bak Chang cake. I have leftover filling from the dumpling that I cooked about a few days ago. So I'm going to make something out of it. I've steamed some glutinous rice like before. I've got a mold here, a heart-shaped mold, so I'm trying to do something cute, I hope. I'll give it a light spray. Place a layer of the white and blue rice so that it is nicely colored and patterned. Press the rice down firmly. Then add the filling and press it down nicely. And top it with another layer of the colored rice. You can use your hands to press it down, but you need to wet your hands first. For the second cake, I'm lining it with the bamboo leaves so as to absorb the flavor like the original chang. Cut the bamboo leaves to fit. Then put in a layer of the colored rice, followed by a layer of the filling, and top up with another layer of rice. Put a piece of bamboo leaf on top. We put it in the steamer and after that I wrap just for fun so that I can make use of all the leftovers and we're going to steam it. Here is the steam Bak Chang. I've unwrapped the Bak Chang and you can see the middle layer here. This one is the one which I've lined with the bamboo leaves so you can actually see the lines of the bamboo leaves, and this is the one that I made with cling film. You know, it's lined with cling film, so it gives a better pattern. I mean, it gives a better surface, it's smoother. Whereas here that's the indentations caused by the bamboo leaves. So presentation wise it may not be so nice, but it's just as tasty. So there you go, leftover Bak Chang cake. They are pretty, aren't they? I used some edible flowers from my garden, and this is the yellow viola, and the tiny little blue flowers are the forget-me-nots. I have two Bak Chang cake here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice it and serve it and eat it as a cake for my tea tomorrow. Until then, see you again next time. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to hit like and the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I make. And don't forget to share as it will motivate me to make more videos. So until the next time, until the next round, bye! See you again! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you! I'm gonna eat this.